Hi, my name is Charles with EMS Liquor Control Systems, a division of Leonard Syrups, and I'm going to show you just a brief introduction into some of the great features that come with your Easybar installation. Now, the first screen that you're going to get as soon as you open up the program is your report section. Now, if you notice up at the top, we have a number of different tabs. We have Reports, Calibration, Online, Setup, Tools, and a Help menu. Now, for this particular demonstration, we're only going to be going through Reports, Calibration, and the Setup tab. Now, the reason why we're not going to be going through the Online and the Tools menu is basically because those are the things that are going to be programmed by your installation technician. So those are the things that you're not necessarily going to need to worry about. So for right now, let's go ahead and click on the Setup tab. Now, the first screen that you're going to get here is the CCP System menu, and these are the things that are going to be situated once you're connected to a system. So for right now, we're going to move on to, off to the left hand side, we have pump room, dispensers, and cost and pricing. First thing that you want to do is go ahead and click on the pump room button. Now, what is the pump room setup? This is the setup that that we have off to the left hand side. We have a number of different what they call nodes. Now, in order to create a pump room setup, we need to create a node that that gives us different brands of liquors that are contained within our back room. So how do we go about doing this? Well, first thing we need to do is we need to go ahead and click on one of the nodes, preferably one of the last nodes that we have here on our off to the left hand side. We're going to go ahead and click on the number 15. Just go ahead and double click on that. Now it's asking for a maximum number of pumps. Okay, with this system you can have anywhere from 16 to 32 all the way up to 128 pumps for a maximum number. But just for simplicity, we're going to stick with 16. And then it's asking here for right here for a name for our point of pump back room. So why don't we make this easy for us by just typing in EMS back room. Okay. Now, if we go ahead and look down at the bottom right hand side, we go ahead and click Save. Next, what we're going to need to put in here is our various well and call brand liquors. Okay, and the way to go about doing that is to go ahead and look right over here. Off to the right hand side, we have the pump number and we have the name of the liquor. Okay, so what we're going to need to do is just go ahead and click underneath the name for pump number 1. Say we want to have a call brand liquor, which would be, say, Absolute. Type in Absolute as one of our call brand vodkas. And let's say we want to just have a well brand vodka. We just go ahead and type in vodka. And as you can see, as we're typing in the name, it automatically shows up within the field itself. And another nice feature about this is that, say for example, if we're looking for, say, tequila, we can go ahead and click on this arrow right over here, and you can see just an exhaustive list of different various liquor brands. So the brand that we're looking for is tequila. Okay, and then how about, let's say Hennessy. We double click on the box, click on the arrow, and we just search for Hennessy. Say we don't want to, what if we don't want to scroll all the way down? We can just type it in, HE, and bam, it automatically shows up. It's very, very convenient to do.